Hello and welcome. I have for you today this motorhome to show from Chausson. It's a 659 centimeter long. It is the Sport Line S697 and it costs 72,000 euros nearly. It offers 196 centimeters internal standing height. It's on a Ford, and have a look around. So we have obviously a forward facing bench, table. We've got over here this rather attractively done front, I would say. Storage in the bulwark should you need it, with an electrical point up there. As we come round here, I've got an extension to the kitchen. There is the sink, two burners over here. We've got under that, we've got a fridge, a three-way fridge. We've got storage under the sink as well. And also, as I come to here, very large washroom. We've got a false wall here to allow a shower behind. If I can pull that out. There's your shower. It's got a sensible sliding door. We've got this German layout bed at the back. We've got storage under it. Look at all that space in there. It's an enormous wardrobe. It's one of the biggest wardrobes I know. And we've got shelves in here. Here we've got more storage. That's in the step up to the bed. We can bring this out to make space for this, to make the bed even bigger. I'll just stick that in like that for the moment. Obviously the plate is supposed to be in, but just doing this for speed, that gives you an idea how big, look how big the bed is. At the back we have got storage at the back. We've got this shelf, at least the shelf has got something on it, the elastic. Window on either side, plus a skylight at the top. It looks a bit bare, but I'm sure with a little bit of care it could be turned into something quite interesting. And down here we have got also additional storage. So lots of space in there to store things. Comparatively short, well, so let's say a medium-sized vehicle. And garage at the back. Lots of space in there. Door at the other side's a bit smaller than this one, but also comes with 12 volt. This in here is 230 shore power. So you can charge things up at the back. Obviously there's a light in the, mind you, you always get a light in the garage. And here we can see one of the big selling points of this vehicle, in my opinion. It's only 210 centimeters across, and so it's not much wider than a camper van. So that'll make it much easier to park, much easier to drive. And so lots of vehicles here, 235, a whole 25 centimeters wider. So I think this is a really positive feature of this vehicle. So we've got a bit extra storage down there. That's your toilet cassette. So I think that Chausson on the Ford is a very interesting vehicle. But what do you think? Is that the sort of thing you'd want to own or not? Write down in the comments. Thanks for watching.